Acid reflux and GERD diet, natural alkaline-balanced recipes. Have you been struggling with the discomfort of acid reflux, GERD? Are you tired of relying on medications to ease your discomfort? Discover how making simple dietary changes can help you manage our GERD symptoms naturally. An introduction to Dr. Jamie Kaufman and her acid reflux, GERD diet. Acid reflux, or GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease, is a very common health problem that many people experience. It is a condition where the lower esophageal sphincter, LES, fails to close properly, causing stomach acid to flow back up into the esophagus, causing irritation and inflammation. This can lead to a range of unpleasant symptoms, such as heartburn, chest pain, difficulty swallowing, and more. Unfortunately, acid reflux can be quite disruptive and can have an impact on your daily life. Luckily, there is a solution. Dr. Jamie Kaufman, a renowned physician, has developed a diet plan specifically intended to address acid reflux. In this video, we will be looking at Dr. Kaufman's GERD diet plan and how it can help those suffering from acid reflux. The cause of acid reflux, also known as gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, is a common digestive disorder that can cause significant discomfort. However, the exact cause of acid reflux has remained a mystery until recently. Dr. Jamie Kaufman, a renowned expert in gastroenterology, has done extensive research into the subject and found that pepsin, a digestive enzyme, is the primary culprit behind GERD. This enzyme, which is released by the stomach during digestion, can damage the esophagus over time, leading to acid reflux symptoms. Interestingly, Dr. Kaufman's research has also shown that pepsin can persist in the esophagus even after the acid has been neutralized, making it a critical factor to address in treating acid reflux. With this groundbreaking insight, Dr. Kaufman is changing the way doctors think about GERD and revolutionizing how patients are treated for it. The Acid Reflux, GERD, Diet Plan. Developed by Dr. Kaufman, it aims to reduce the acid level in the stomach, which reduces acid reflux. The diet is particularly effective for those with LPR, as this type of reflux can cause damage to the throat and vocal cords. The diet is also highly effective for those with GERD. The basics of Dr. Kaufman's acid reflux GERD diet plan are quite simple. First, it's important to avoid eating large meals. Small, frequent meals are the way to go, as this helps to keep the stomach from being overly full. Secondly, it's important to avoid foods that can trigger acid reflux, such as fatty foods, caffeine, chocolate, and alcohol. Lastly, patients are encouraged to eat foods that can help reduce acid reflux, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean meats. Dr. Kaufman's GERD diet plan has been widely recognized and praised by medical professionals. This is primarily because it is an effective way to manage the symptoms of acid reflux without the need for medication. In fact, many patients who have followed Dr. Kaufman's diet plan have reported a significant improvement in their symptoms. Acid reflux is a common health problem that can be quite disruptive to your daily life. The good news is that there are ways to manage the symptoms, and Dr. Kaufman's GERD diet plan is one such way. The diet plan is not only effective but also very practical, making it easy to implement into your daily routine. If you are experiencing symptoms of acid reflux, we highly recommend giving the acid reflux GERD diet plan a try. Follow Dr. Kaufman's guidelines, and you may find a significant improvement in your symptoms. Take control of your health and give it a go. Check out the link in the description below for Dr. Kaufman's acid reflux GERD diet. With 111 all-new recipes, including vegan and gluten-free, it's the ultimate never need to diet again diet book.